Yesterday in Honiara, the Development Service Exchange hosted a workshop on the mining toolkit and media training for advocacy. Alex Dadamu reports.
The Development Service Exchange held a workshop on the International Center for Advocates Against Discrimination, mining toolkit, and media training for advocacy in Honiara yesterday. The workshop aims to strengthen the capacity of local communities and civil society organizations to use the mining toolkit. Graham Tahu, a representative of the Apune Para AHNRA Natural Resource Association, told SIBC News that the workshop is helping to educate resource owners affected by the extractive activities.
This 2 days workshop, we will drive for educating resource owners, people who mostly affected by extractive industry, where mostly around Solomon Island. So participants him come from Choiseul, Isabel, and Kodo Canal, where currently mining him go ahead. The aim of this event is really to give him other resource owners an informed information so that they can be able to make informed decisions about whether go for doing mining or logging or abstain and go to other alternatives like conservation or resource management or kind of something else. We also develop a toolkit over last 7 months, and this toolkit too, we have go through these 2 days and will help people who come here if would like to continue for doing advocacy, and they will use the toolkit as well.
Meanwhile, a participant from East Choiseul, Andy Gallo, says the toolkit will help communities to understand mining-related issues and clarify the responsibilities of both the government and local communities.
With the availability of the mining toolkit now, it make it much easier, like the process of you doing campaigning. You let them community survey what the rights block it, how about raising up using several pathways for raising issues regarding, if they're unhappy how government carry out mining whereby affecting livelihood, but at least there are clear guidelines now how by assisting for raising the issues there, rather than taking things on hands block it. But at least now there's a guideline where communities can be aware what the rights block it, how about become part of the social licensing process, where what can benefit now by taking out from such extractive industry. Or if they're not unhappy, at least they have a mechanism where they can also share the grievances. So at least this mining toolkit can help him for understanding the laws there, what process they can do, how they can do further advocate for if they don't want mining for affecting area blockade. So it's a very useful mining toolkit.
Alex Dadamu for SIBC TV.